Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a little dark out. Just got done finishing up on my trans brake and the wiring. I haven't started it and tested the RPM limit yet. We got this steering wheel from Speedway and I installed the trans brake button in it. Okay, wait for it. Yep, it works. So we got the steering shaft. I can't do anything with the shaft until I get the roll cage in here, and that's kind of another thing on the list, that and the wheelie bars. But I just wanted to update the page and let you know what I did today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click on the subscribe and drop a comment. It's cool.